What is going on, beautiful people? Welcome to another episode of the Narcissists Code. I'm your favorite self-aware narcissist, Mr. Lee Hammock, aka Mental Healness from TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. I'm tweeting a little bit more now. Not as live on Twitter, but I'm tweeting a little bit more now. If this is your first time seeing my face, I am a diagnosed narcissist. I have narcissistic personality disorder. That is my cross to bear. I've been in therapy for the last almost 4 years, since October 2017. If you wonder what type of therapy, psychotherapy, talk therapy. I go in there and we talk, we talk it out. But the point of my entire platform is to bring awareness to mental health disorders and mental illness as a whole, and to get more people into therapy. Therapy works, y'all. I love therapy. And in the process of all that, help validate the victims and survivors of narcissistic abuse and things of that nature as well. Today's episode is going to be about the perfect person for a narcissist, the narcissist's perfect supply or whatnot. So first of all, in my opinion, in my humble opinion, being a narcissist myself, I don't think the perfect supply exists. To me, there's a reason why you constantly see narcissists cheating, constantly see narcissists with multiple people, constantly see narcissists trying to, manufacture different details of their life. So when I'm doing my one-on-ones, one of the common themes that I see is narcissists cheating. And they're like, why would I never be enough for him or her? Why would I never be enough for them? Like, what is it about me? And I always tell these people, like, it's not about you. It's literally about there not being the perfect person for a narcissist. So in essence, to combat the fact that there's not a perfect person that exists for a narcissist, the perfect supply exists, they put multiple people together to create the perfect situation for themselves, for ourselves. Like he said, look, I go back and forth between them and our, because yes, I am a narcissist, but I don't like to associate with the bad parts of it, which I know I have to. So don't you dare judge me. But yeah, so narcissists will put multiple people together to create the perfect situation or to create the perfect person for that narcissist in the narcissist's life and things like that. Mainly, look, so that's why you get a lot of times, like when a narcissist is cheating on you, the person that they're cheating on you with, or the multiple people that they are cheating on you with, are complete polar opposites. They have nothing in common. Like literally nothing in common with each other. They don't look the same, they don't act the same, they don't talk the same. I'm very vivacious, I'm aggressive, I'm outgoing, whatever. The person he cheated on me with is the exact opposite. That person is like quiet, like mousy, really, really sweet and caring. I'm none of that. But you see, a narcissist puts people together in order to get different needs met, to get different supply needs met and things like that. So that's why you see a lot of times, like I said, narcissists will put multiple people together like a fry. So please don't take disrespect for this, because it's not meant to be disrespectful, but I consider it like putting multiple people together like a Frankenstein's monster. Like a narcissist will put a person together that gives them financial stability, makes them okay, makes them feel okay financially. Like this person is either dependent upon me financially, or I'm dependent upon this person financially. So they have a person for financial dependence. They have a person for, sexual relations and things like that. They have a person that's, good in bed. They have a person they do it whenever, whatever. Like do it whenever or whatever. Or yeah, sometimes whatever, you know what I mean? Sometimes they'll do that. They'll have a person for that. And sometimes they'll have a person to make them feel good about themselves. A person that like boosts their confidence. Like I said, all these can be different people, y'all. They can get 2 of those supplies from one person, they can get all 3, or they can get 1 each from different people. So if you figure out, if you find that person that the narcissist is, stepping outside the relationship with you on, if you find that person, you actually get to talk to that person, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. You'll know exactly what I mean when I say putting people together that are exact opposites, Or, look, this is like, they'll put people we're just complete, total opposites. Even this goes for men, this goes for women this goes for female narcissists, women narcissists that cheat with men. Like the men would be totally opposite. Like I'm 6'3", 235 pounds with dreads, and she's cheating with a 5'10", 180 pound white dude or Hispanic dude or something like that, an Asian guy. Like, what the world is going on? Like, why? Because different people meet different needs for that narcissist. Different people, fulfill different like, I say need and supply kind of interchangeably. So different people fulfill different supplies and needs for that narcissist to make them feel complete. And then sometimes, even in that situation, it's not enough. Sometimes they'll have, like, you'll see a narcissist that's, you know, that's not even cheating, but they have multiple people to make them feel good about themselves, like online presence and stuff like that. They'll have, like, people online that live in, like, I live in America, so it has somebody online that lives in, like Denmark or something like that. That just makes them feel good about themselves. Like, they flirt back and forth. They do stuff like that, you know what I mean? They flirt with people, you know, from Denmark and the Netherlands or something like that, just to make them feel good about themselves. Just like, I'm not out here cheating, but, like, me and this person do flirt a little bit. We just flirt. It makes me feel good about myself, and it just, you know, because, like, you know, being in a relationship, being in a long-term relationship with people, things change. Like, situations change, people change. So yeah, I'm switching hands real quick right here. As y'all can see, I'm outside today. I told you I'll be traveling today. I'm at my laundromat in High Point, North Carolina, B&D Coin Laundry. So if y'all see me out here holding my, if you see me out here holding my tripod, holding my selfie stick, that's what I'm doing right here. I'm not out here looking crazy. I'm out here dropping nuggets in the hood of High Point. So yeah, I'm out here dropping big nuggets. But like I said, like, back to the topic at hand. So yeah, a narcissist will literally put together, like I said, like a Frankenstein's monster, or people with different qualities. Like, sometimes the narcissist needs that smart person in their life, so they'll have a person that's intellectually, you know, above the narcissist, or the narcissist wants to feel smarter themselves, so they'll have a person that's like lower, has a lower intellectual ability than them. Whatever, like, different people meet different needs. And it's like, sometimes it's sexual, not all the time it's going to be sexual. You know what I mean? It's not everybody's good at, you know, not everybody's good at that. So sometimes, yes, it is sexual, sometimes it isn't. But like I said, whatever, if you can figure out what need the narcissist is getting from you, like, I'm just a grade A supply. Like, why? What do you do? I just listen to whatever he says and does. I listen to whatever she says and does, and I just take it. That's grade A supply, but eventually the narcissist is probably gonna get bored of that situation and want to add something else. Want to add something else to it. And like I said, sometimes it is the excuse they'll use is like, look, and if they get caught up, it's like, look, I still love and care about you. I just needed to make sure that you were the one for me. You know, so that's why I'm doing this. So it's like, not really, you know, wasn't planning on leaving you, but I just needed to make sure that, like, we were gonna fit together. So yeah, this person does this differently than you. And that's why I say it. And, like, you can get tied up very, very good. But, like, so I'm gonna touch on this too, because that part right there, I'm gonna bring that part to the end, putting different people together. But closure for a narcissist. If you discard a narcissist, if you ever discard a narcissist, if you find out, if you think you're in a narcissistic relationship and you end up discarding that narcissist for whatever reason, if you end up trying to get rid of that narcissist for whatever reason, if you get rid of them and you get them out your life for whatever reason, if they want closure from you, it is not to end the relationship. A narcissist wants closure from you to continue the relationship. So if you break up with a narcissist or you discard them and they just hammer away at you, they just beat you down, they just keep coming back and forth to you and won't let you go, I just want some closure. I deserve closure. We've been together this long. We got kids. We got this. We've done this. I think I deserve some closure. A closure for a narcissist is trying to hook you back into the relationship. And I've had some terrible situations where you go get that closure and you're like, well, this is the last time I'm gonna see this person. Let's go ahead and do it one more time. And you end up with an STD based off of closure. One last time, you end up with something that sticks with you for the rest of your life. So be careful on wanting to give, you know, a narcissist closure, because literally that's what happened. I know y'all see the background. I know y'all see the quick more and all this other stuff. But yeah. So narcissists, like giving a narcissist closure, if they ask you for closure, they beg you, plead you for closure. I deserve closure. Please give me some closure. Please, 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 please. If they ask you for that, they're literally trying to suck you back into the relationship and keep the relationship going, or trying to hook you back in, like get you pregnant, or you get them pregnant, or something like that. One last go round, one last hoorah. Might as well, I'm never gonna see this person again. Hey, you remember that closure we had last, like 4 months ago? I got pregnant from it. Thanks. No more closure. Now you gotta deal with the person the rest of your life. So watch that closure and stuff like that, because with a narcissist, it's never actually about giving closure. I mean, I think so much, like I said, my mind has been kind of out of it lately. I told y'all narcissists kind of get weird around the holidays and birthdays and stuff like that. And I told y'all today is what, July the 9th. My birthday is July 14th, so I'm kind of been out of it. I'm snapping out of this funk though, y'all. I'm snapping out of it. Don't worry about me, I'm okay.
I'm okay. I know I'll get some little snide comments about that. Like, you're out of it. You're a narcissist. What do you think? You deserve to be out of it. Well, suck it. Literally. Anyways, y'all, thank y'all for tuning in. I really, truly appreciate every single one of y'all that likes, subscribe to me, you know, and supported me on this journey from day one or from day, you know, 501. I really, truly appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much. I can't thank y'all enough. Peace. Boom.